Here we have another room with a closet back there. And let's close the door back so we don't let the dog into the room. And we have another room here. Closets. Come on.
Are we done?
No.
We're downstairs. That's another
Full bathroom.
That's a master bathroom. That's another one. Oh, here's another room. Nice. You let the dog in that room.
And bedroom number 4.
Come on.
All right, come on.
That's the football one.
All right,
This
guys,
is
come on.
football.
Come on.
Going down. Going down, Mom.
And then we have this little lofts corner where you can put, I guess, a computer desk,
Oh, let's go down.
which overlooks the stairs.
And one, two, okay,